Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe payments in your React app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Stripe payments in your React app, first, ensure you have a Stripe account set up. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Stripe dashboard and obtain your API keys. In your React project, install the Stripe.js library by running the command in your terminal. Next, install the React Stripe.js library for easier integration with React components. After that, create a new component for your payment form. Import the necessary modules from the Stripe package at the top of your component file. Use the load Stripe function to initialize Stripe with your public API key. In the component, define a state to manage the payment details such as amount and currency. Build the payment form using controlled components to capture user input for the payment details. Add form validation to ensure users provide valid payment information. Once the user submits the payment form, handle the onSubmit event to process the payment. Inside the onSubmit function, call the Stripe createPaymentIntent method with the necessary details. Use the response from Stripe to handle the payment confirmation and provide feedback to the user. Ensure that you manage error handling to capture any issues during the payment process. After implementing the payment logic, style your form to enhance the user experience. Test your payment integration using Stripe's test mode before going live. Finally, switch your API keys to production when you are ready to accept real payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.